So let's talk about your Capstone proposal drafting guide. Now, why do you need this? Why do you need this graphic organizer piece? Well, a big part of your capstone is going to be the proposal. It's going to really set your course in your direction. And question service projects, the research itself, it all does change a little bit, but you have to set a course and you have to start sailing. And we've been working for a couple of weeks on picking topics and brainstorming, and now it's time to kind of focus all of that. So why the graphic organizer? This is where it's all going to get focused, and it prepares your proposal presentation. In order to get going on your capstone, to really kick it off, you have to actually make a presentation to me. It has to be approved. That's a process that goes through. So my presentation is going to be thus and so. And this particular graphic organizer that I'm going to share with you is going to take you through it. And just so you understand, I'll actually jump you into it right now. This is a part of the assignment. We're, of course, talking about assignment 1.3. I'll throw it in there. It's 1.3, the drafting guide. And I'll have this in English and Spanish. And it's the proposal for this document right here, the drafting guide. Now, the first thing you're going to look at, and I'll take you through this one at a time. The first thing you want to look at is, by the way, you're not doing your slides right now. The slides are done later. Just make sure you know that. After the organizer, you're going to do the slides. So don't ask, are we doing slides right now? You don't need to, because you're going to do it later. First, you're going to pick your area of interest. Your area of interest is something that you find appealing. So you've done all your topics. Now it's time for you to pick one. Okay, this is the one that's the most appealing to me. I'm going to pursue that. I've had kids start that and then change their topic right after they did that, just because they realize it's a great topic, it's interesting, but another one that they're interested in is going to be actually more manageable. So this is where you're going to actually pick that. And then when you go on to the next thing on that sheet, it says formulate a research question. And we've practiced this, right? So you're formulating your research question based on your area of interest. And we've gone through practices of how to do research question. If you're not sure how to do it, go back and look at 1.2. 1.2 does talk to you about how to do research questions. And then you need to tell us why you're very interested, why this thing has captured you. And so I need 3 to 5 personal experience, three information like that. Write a little paragraph. I'll show you how to put that into a presentation and make it compelling. But I really need to know why it is that that's something that's compelled you. You're willing to spend a significant amount of your senior year working on that project. And then you're going to go out and do a survey of research. You need to find 3 solid sources, links and summaries, so that I know that there are 3 solid, credible sources. If one of them is one of the ones that you used in your practicing topics, that's fine. But you need to have 3 solid sources that prove that you're going to be able to do the research on this. You're also going to need to identify 3 possible interviewees. You're only going to be required to do 1, but you're going to tell me 3 people you could interview. I say that because one of the things I've discovered over the years is that you get canceled on a lot. Kids do. Adults mean well, but they don't follow through, or you can't drive your schedule, or then you get busy with some other things. So you need to have 3 possible interviewees so you can follow through. And if the first one falls through, you can go to your second one. Then 3 possible service learning projects. If you have one idea and it doesn't fall through, you're stuck with your project. So 3 possible service learning projects. Make sure you have 3 things to pursue. We're going to get very busy with that in the next week and a half, 2 weeks. You're going to turn this into a presentation later, not now. Right now, I just want you to worry about this particular document right here. Get this document done. This is everything I just showed you. It's in Google Docs. When it's done, turn it in. Then I will move you on to how to make a presentation. This is due to me, as we said in this, it's due to me by Monday, September 20th. If you're on A days, if it's Tuesday, you're going to be Tuesday, September 21st, in class, before class, because we're going to start going over those in class on that day. Hope that helps. Good luck, and happy hunting.